Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be adding decimals. And just like when we were adding whole numbers, you can do it two different ways, left to right or right to left. So I'm going to show you some examples of each that will hopefully help you out. The first example I'm going to show you is left to right. So if I'm adding decimals left to right, here's my example, 2 and 7/10 plus 1 and 8/10. So I'm adding left, my ones place. Here I have all my numbers lined up, my decimals and my tenths, nice and neatly one under the other. That helps me a lot. So I'm going to add my 2 plus my 1 gives me 3. It's in my ones place. And then I'm going to add my 7 plus my 8. That's going to give me 15. So I'm going to put my 5 here because it's my tenths place, and I'm going to move my 1 over here. And I'm going to carry my decimal down, okay? And now I'm going to add it up. It gives me a 5, a 4, and I carry my decimal down. If I wanted to do the same question using the right to left method, I would put 2.7 plus 1.8. 8 plus 7 gives me 15. I carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And once again, I carry my decimal down to give me 4 and 5/10. Now I'm going to show you the same example with two larger numbers. So my first example here is going to be 1 and 45/100 plus 1 and 26/100. And I'm going to use the left to right method with this. So see how my numbers are lined up neatly, my decimals. My whole number here is my ones place. I'm going to add 1 plus 1 gives me a 2. Then I'm going to add my tenths place. Put my decimal here, carry my decimal down. 4 plus 2 gives me 6 in my tenths place. And now I'm going to add in my hundredths place. 5 plus 6 gives me 11. See how I'm in my hundredths place? I put my decimal here, and I'm going to add this up. It's going to give me a 1, a 7, decimal 2. So it's going to be 2 and 71/100. If I add this using my right to left method, the same numbers, I have 1 and 45/100 plus plus 1 and 26/100, and I'm going to say 6 plus 5 gives me 11. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, and I take my decimal down for the same answer, 2 and 71/100. When you're doing your questions today, you can choose either method, left to right or right to left, whatever one works better for you and that you like better. Have a great day.